never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, and when you hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Listen, that's me slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay and that's, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're delirious, mysterious because you are behind.
Oh, this not real. You like this? Small?
Oh, it's small, yes. Nice.
Bà ta kể vì bà phải dừng sang mai thằng cọp từ xây bà phải chung con từ 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 luôn bà không lại không ngon thì bài chân thì cả mươi hơn bà phải chung con tôi tại bản viên mà tôi này bản viên mà tôi này thì tại vì này tôi chọn nhà
Hey, with me?
Hello.
Hey, with me?
Thank you.
Phóng xe hai.
Huh? Oh, so beautiful. Yeah.
Hot á. So I start 7 o'clock until 6 o'clock on evening. It's not so at the high season we make good business, earn yes 1,000 a month or sometimes 800.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Up to
Good.
sometimes some month is low like this. Yeah. Because this season have many people they celebrate like a wedding party,
okay, yes.
birthday. So everyone they want cut shirt. Yeah.
The new nice one.
Yeah. Up to the material. Some material from China is cheap, just $14 for
14.
one trouser. The
Uh-huh.
shirt yes we have start from 14, 15. Yeah. Yeah. Some material is just from Thailand like that $12. Yeah.
12.
Yeah. Well, for everything, including sewing. Nó đang còn thao chứ. Còn áo ạ. Vâng, vô cái sầm tích lớn. Chị quá không? Cái nã cua chứ, nã qua miệng.
Vậy cho lát qua bánh nhân em hơi ai mua gì vậy? Rồi cho mẹ. Đi dây đạp kê, số xa đi chém lên cỏ bóng
go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do